Welcome to Climatiq's Excel how-to series. In these videos, we'll show you how to get started with our Excel add-in and demo sheet. To start making carbon emissions calculations within Excel, you can follow 3 easy installation steps. Step 1 is to install the Climatiq plugin from the Microsoft App Store. Step 2 is to download the Excel demo file from our website. And step 3 is to set your personal Climatiq API key within the sheet. Let's get started. We first want to navigate to the Excel integration product on our website, scroll down and install the Excel plugin from the Microsoft App Store. Once this has been installed, the second step is to download the demo file, which can also be found on our website. You can open the downloaded demo file, and you'll see the Climatiq logo with the plugin successfully installed on the top right-hand side. Lastly, you'll need a Climatiq API key. This key is unique code linked to your account that lets you access our carbon calculations and emission factor data. You can get one for free by signing up at climatiq.io or clicking the link in the Excel setup steps. Once you're logged in, we can generate your personal API key in the dashboard by selecting API keys. We can then create a key, copy this key, go back to the demo file overview page and paste it into the Set API Key Here field. It is important to note that you only need to set one API key per Excel file. To test that the add-in was successfully initialized, we can hit =, on our keyboard to check if the Climatiq formulas come up. If they appear, then you're ready to go. At a high level, the demo sheet gives some examples for each capability of the add-in broken up into clear common activity types in each sheet. If we look at the road travel sheet, to calculate carbon emissions, there will always be a few columns of inputs required, many which are freely adjustable and optional. Based on the input data, some calculations are performed, and there's some columns where the detailed output calculation results will be displayed. This simple approach is repeated across all the sheets, for example, freight and electricity too. You've now successfully set up the Climatiq Excel integration. To learn how to use the formulas and explore the different use cases covered, please feel free to watch the next videos in our how-to series. This series will take you through the capabilities and calculations of each sheet within the demo file. I'll see you in the next video.